Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb, traditionally used for centuries to support overall well-being. Preparing it correctly ensures you get the most benefit. We'll cover simple methods to incorporate this beneficial powder into your daily routine, making it easy and enjoyable. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. Preparing ashwagandha powder is quite simple. One popular method is to mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder into a glass of warm milk or water. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved, creating a smooth drink. For those who find the taste a bit earthy, adding a touch of honey, maple syrup, or even a pinch of cinnamon can make it much more palatable and enjoyable. Experiment to find your preferred combination. Beyond simple drinks, ashwagandha powder can be easily incorporated into various recipes. Try blending 1/2 to 1 teaspoon into your favorite morning smoothie for an added wellness boost. It also mixes well into yogurt, oatmeal, or even homemade energy balls, making it a versatile ingredient. The key is to ensure the powder is thoroughly mixed so you get an even distribution in every serving. Get creative and enjoy the benefits. When taking ashwagandha, consistency is truly key. For optimal benefits, aim to incorporate it into your daily routine. Always store your ashwagandha powder in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and freshness. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh and organized throughout the week. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.